82 best update. This is my personal house. So we're gonna be painting the outside and replacing the roof. But gonna show you what we're doing on the inside. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath house. It's a little rough here, but all this is gonna be painted. And they're just trashed it out. You can see here they put the primer on this. But I do exactly what I tell my investors to do. That's the key. And this one's going to net me over $1,200 a month. Very excited about it. So it just needs work. That's all. I mean, that's horrible. The flooring, everything's kind of outdated. We're just going to update everything. Wood floors are good. What's unique about this one is there's no upstairs, but it's just got 3 bedrooms on the first floor, which is rare. But you see the outdated paint. We'll just get all that painted, all that stuff done in here. So I do the same thing you do. This one, you know, we're going to do the same work as we always do on this. And there's a lot of stuff this particular family left. We'll put in a new dishwasher too. But it just, you know, it's not rocket science. It's just, you know, a template that you can formulate and make money with. Partner with a professional that knows what he's doing and been in the business. Like this toilet's old. This is all going to get replaced, but it's usable. Like there's a shower here. See the shower there? That's going to get fixed. Newer electrical box. They waterproofed this particular basement, as you can see, which is good. That means they took care of it. So we're good to go. We'll get this done. But again, it's the same stuff. You want to partner with a pro and someone that's done a lot of properties. I mean, you know, over 1,200. Give me a call. Brett, I'm with Fathom Realty, 216-703-5740. I'll take care of you through the rehab process, purchase, all of it. You don't even have to worry about the property management. We'll take care of that too. 216-703-5740 or WhatsApp me. Thanks. Have a great day. Like and subscribe.